Now that we've clicked the Admin tab, we are on Account Settings. And in our account settings, we have our Marketing Cloud settings, where we can choose to hide all apps, where we can choose to receive product alerts, and where we can enable Social Studio. Then we have our general account settings, where we have our account name, our account ID, our email display name, so whenever we send emails from our Marketing Cloud account, this is what's going to show up in our emails, our email reply address, and then the portfolio base URL, the number of business units that our Marketing Cloud account has, the number of active users in our Marketing Cloud account, our SOAP API, our SOAP service endpoint, who our account was modified by, the time zone that our account is in, and the date format for our Marketing Cloud account. Then we have company information. So we have our company name, the street address of our company, the city our company is in, the state, the zip/postal code, and the country here. We have to make sure that we have company information filled out because by default, when we send emails to customers, this is what is going to fill out in our emails, which is required by CAN-SPAM laws. We have to have a physical mailing address on our emails when we send to our customers. We also have authenticated domains, which if you want to learn more about authenticated domains, you can click this little question mark box. And we have our headers and footers. If you want to learn more about headers and footers, you can click this question mark box as well. We want to make sure that we have at least our HTML default headers and footers and our default text headers and footers. To edit all of this information, we'll click Edit up here at the top. And if we come down here to headers and footers, we can see that by default, we have HTML headers, footers, text headers, and text footers. You can choose to make this a custom HTML header and footer and a custom text header and footer, or to have none. And if you choose custom, you can preview what this would look like. And you can insert a recommended header here. If you want to learn more about that, you can click this question mark here, but we're going to keep everything as system default. Whenever you're ready to make your changes, you'll click Save, or if you don't want to make any changes, you can click Cancel. And that's how you get to your account settings in Marketing Cloud, and that's how you edit your account settings in Marketing Cloud.